Health Check is presented to you by the Medical City. It's an opportunity for anyone in the island community to receive a wide range of medical services for free. It's called the Guam Innovative Readiness Training Program, and it begins on Wednesday, August 2nd, and will run for 8 days until August 10th at the University of Guam Calvo Fieldhouse from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. The program is headed by the Department of Defense in partnership with the Department of Public Health and Social Services, and also the Office of the Governor and the Mayor's Council of Guam. Local partners include the Total Guam Foundation, Guam Dentist Society, and other GovGuam agencies. Colonel Andrea Bowers with the 9th MSC Mission Support Command that falls under the U.S. Army Pacific Command explains why the program is so important.
We wanted to provide, training for our professional services, even though we do have, those that are serving as doctors and nurses in everyday, their everyday jobs, but we also want to provide those services across the Pacific. So Guam, of course, is a U.S. territory, so we want to offer those services while also receiving our training as far as deploying.
A team of over 100 will tend to those who walk in. Note, it will be on a first-come, first-served basis. Over the course of the 8 days, an extensive list of medical services will be offered to residents of all ages.
Minor wound care, also, illness, some illnesses, also physicals, whether it's pediatric, adult, or geriatric, also school physicals and school sports physicals. And also a part of that is mental health care. So we have that as far as medical. Then we have the dental. That'll be anything from general dental exams to extractions and maybe even some fillings. Then we have optometry. You can have a full eye exam followed by actually on-the-spot eyeglass fabrication. So you could get your eye exam, and right after that you can walk over and choose your frames and have your glasses in a few minutes.
Colonel Bowers adds that there will be a pharmacist on hand as well as a radiologist to perform x-rays. And from August 2nd to the 9th, women will be able to get a pap smear. Don Sulet, Public Information Officer for the Department of Public Health and Social Services, says that when it comes to routine vaccinations,
you have to be under the age of 18. You have to be under Medicaid, MIP, or uninsured.
And for minors receiving any of the medical services,
they are required to have a parent, legal guardian, or authorized rep with them. And they have to stay with them throughout the duration of the time that they're there for any of the services that they're going to. So you can't just drop them off and go. But if you aren't, the requirements to bring, if you're bringing someone under the age of 18, would be a government ID. If you're the legal guardian, bring your legal guardian documents. Or if you're the authorized rep, bring a signed letter of authorization saying you are the authorized rep.
And although it's limited services per day, they encourage residents to come on out.
We're offering these basic services to get your foot in the door, get you started, and promote a healthy Guam and rise up and bring up the health standard of the community.
I just want everyone to know that we are here and available, and it's really heartfelt to know that Guam had to go through a Category 4 typhoon. And I think, to have these services available to the community after such a, rough time, we're just thankful that we're able to provide those services. And we invite all those that are interested to please come out, and we're here to serve and help.
For more information, you can call 671-735-7143. With this week's Health Check Report, I'm Jonagan Charfris. Health Check is presented to you by the Medical City.